Here's Ha-Seong Kim. Hitting in the 9 spot. Offensive plays in center field. 1-1. There's one at first. And the tag play not made. But he was there first. It's way inside. Kim gets out of the way. First 3 innings, 7 hits by Murphy. 1-1. 2-1. 2-2.
It's nice to be able to get it. What about the depth perception as well? Hard without a home run, it hit a pair, including one by.
Pitch outside to time called. Drew Romo is the new. That one goes right. Caleb Bonemer is the shortstop. And Kim hits one high and deep to right field. Way back it goes. It's gone. Ha-Seong Kim with a home run. Back-to-back homers for the Dodgers in the 6th. And they take a 6-5 lead.